Mums are the most popular fall flower, but a lot of people don't buy the right mums. So let me teach you a little bit about what to look for when you're shopping. The first thing you need to know is that mums are only in full bloom where they're just really spectacular for about 3 weeks. So you've got to get the timing right about when you want those mums to be blooming and looking the best for whatever you're using them for at your home or at your business. So that means that you typically don't want to buy them when they're fully flowered open, because that means that you've already kind of missed part of their flowering time and it won't be long before they begin to fade. Before we go look at some mums, the last thing you need to remember is the color that you would like to have, because mums can be white, pink, lavender, red, bronze, different shades of yellow and different shades of orange. So I like to buy mums that have flower buds on them that haven't necessarily opened yet. So this one has large flower buds that are about the size of a fingernail, and some of them are beginning to crack color. That means that this mum is going to be looking spectacular in a week or two. Now this one here, the flower buds are the size of a BB. And so that means that this one is still 3 to 4 weeks from being in bloom. So get out your calendar and look, where are you going to be in 3 to 4 weeks? Is that going to be a good time for this plant to be blooming? And remember, it will continue to bloom for another 3 to 4 weeks after it begins blooming. Now, if you see one like this that is not showing flower buds yet, then this one is probably around 6 weeks away from blooming, which is going to line it up from now in early September to be blooming for mid to late October. So that's going to be a really nice one, and we will have even more varieties that are going to be blooming, say, for later fall and into Thanksgiving. So it really just depends on what you're looking for. And check with your local garden center to see if they are growing mums that are perennials for your area, because the ones that we grow here in Texas are a great reliable perennial here for our region. And that's why we always encourage people, once they're done blooming, go ahead and cut them back and plant them out in your flower bed, and you can enjoy them for years to come.